Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy A57's data to Samsung Cloud and Google Cloud. In order to use both of these options, we're going to have to swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon to open settings. Here in settings, we're going to have to scroll down to accounts and backup, then select backup data either in Samsung Cloud option menu or Google Drive, depending on which one you'd like more. So in Samsung Cloud, you simply go right here, then select the data that you want to back up, tap backup now, wait until your data is backed up. It will probably take a while, up to a minute, or maybe several minutes, depending on how much data you have on your smartphone. Then tap done, and then you can restore it in the same menu. Then for Google Drive, you tap backup right here. You select which data you want to back up, and then tap backup now, enter your pattern or PIN code and wait until the backup is created. And all the data that you backed up will be stored in your Google account, and you'll be able to restore it by synchronizing data with your Google account later. And so yeah, that's basically how you do it. So thanks so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.